you make a new friend?
I did. His name's Bert.
That's fabulous.
All right.
We've washed and sanitised our hands. Hang on, I'll just go.
Welcome back, or welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're off camping. It's a Friday. I've taken a day off work because I can, and I'm the boss. And life is too short not to go camping. Now we're heading out to Sheepyard Flat campground just outside Mansfield. I say we because I'm meeting up with a couple of friends out there. Gavin and Julie in their Kedron caravan, and their daughter Katie in her new Maverick camper. She calls it the Maverick, I'm calling it the Big Goose. Think about it, you'll get the joke eventually. And the cloud cover's lifting, so that's always a good sign as well.
Right, there's a huge cloud. Katie said she landed in it the other night, so I'm going to keep my eyes open. I'll call it. It's on the left there. Yep, that's it.
You reckon they put little yellow lines around it so you can see it, wouldn't you?
A little bit of bitumen in it, wouldn't it? Would it?
There is that too.
Made it to camp, all set up, cracking day, beautiful blue, clear skies, light breeze. It's about 26 or so degrees, so it's nice. A few flies about, but that's what happens when you go camping. So I'm going to crack a can, enjoy the rest of the afternoon. Might even go down and have a quick look at the river, see how we go. But let's get stuck into this great weekend away.
By cows. Yeah. You drive in there, back straight here. Done.
So Katie,
Yes.
what did you score today?
A t-shirt.
Wow.
Check it out.
Yes.
It's four-wheel driving camping.
That's right.
This top fit's awesome.
That's it?
Yep. Check it out.
Look at that.
Very comfy.
Is it?
Yeah, it's great.
Time for dinner. We're going to do it on the fire tonight. We're going to have curly tailed chops. I'm just going to whip them out the angle and we'll get cooking. Mate's got his Gavin and Jules have got the steak on. And Katie,
Yo.
what you got for dinner tonight?
Got some potatoes and steak.
Yum yum.
Why don't we toast a pretzel?
Why not? Give it a go.
What's that?
Toast the pretzel.
I'll take forever to cook the pretty thick.
Yeah, I know.
And these are all low fat chops because we're out camping, you know that, don't you?
Oh yeah.
Because everything's low fat when you go camping.
Absolutely. How's our pretzel going?
I think she might be a bit...
That's garlic and rosemary.
Oh, garlic and rosemary. Oh, let's give it a shot.
Give it a spray. Hang on.
Yeah.
Oh, our pretzel went up in fire.
Oh, no. There might be a couple more pretzels you could probably try.
Yeah.
Well, I think you're running out.
Yeah, well, there's only 2 kilo of them there.
Look at that. Yum, yum, yum.
They remind me of the little 4 little friends we've had wandering around camp.
Hang them on.
Yeah. You notice they're not here at the moment?
No, bug it off. Can't watch Fred get cooked.
Fred, it might be good.
Don't trouble with chops. All the fat dripping off.
Yeah, but when it renders down, my God, it's yum.
They left. Were you going to act like you were solo camping?
Nah. I just pretend that we're chilling. Get back. Don't look at the camera because, you know.
You're not allowed to look at the camera.
Oh, look at the camera!
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, you're supposed to sort of look off in the distance and go.
Oh. Did you do that?
I used to do this. And that does it.
And you're done.
Morning everyone. I reckon I'll do my coffee, which I've just done, and I'll knock myself up an omelette for breakfast. So let's see how my omelette goes. Don't usually make omelettes, but why not? I identify. Okay. Well, that's the omelette done. I've actually already had one. I made this one special for my mate Katie, so I'm going to dish it up. She actually doesn't know I made her one, so let's go give her a brekkie, eh? Morning, Katie.
Morning.
I made you brekkie, mate. I made
Thanks,
you an
Ed.
omelette.
Yeah, I know.
Enjoy.
That was great.
Bono Boutique.
Thank you.
No worries, mate. Did you make a new friend?
I did. His name's Bert.
Where are we?
Sheepyard.
Sheepyard. So out here camping at Sheepyard Flat. It's been an awesome weekend so far. We've had fantastic weather. We've had horses. We've had fish jumping in the river. Now I've got a few new stickers to put on the fridge, to update the fridge. Steve from Mud Duck Touring, he sent me a new sticker. Apparently he's updated his merch. He still has new merch on his website. So hit him up. Good guy, Steve. Thank you, Steve. Also, while I was down here, I bumped into Shad, Shad Donahue. He's doing his yearly, you know, trip down to Victoria. I bumped into him and he sent me a sticker. He could have saved postage and waited till he see me, but no, he sent me one anyway. So thanks, Shad. That's going on the fridge. We've got one here from Rob from Australian Camping and Four-Wheel Driving. Now this is a special one for me. I've been watching Rob for a long time and he was my motivator to get on the YouTube. So thank you, Rob. And then last but not quite least, I think I've got another one coming in soon. Nas from Nas Time Adventures, good mate of mine, sent me a sticker. Well, he actually didn't send me a sticker. Stole it out of his car. Don't tell him. All right. So that's got to go in the fridge. And I've got another one here somewhere.
Here you go, Ed.
Oh, thank you,
Yeah,
Katie.
most important.
Oh, Katie's sticker. Now, she's on Instagram. Hit her up, click her up, all that sort of stuff. Does some great content. I'll put the link for her Instagram thingy, you know, below there. So that's got to take pride and place on my fridge. So let's stick these on. update's done. The fridge value has just increased astronomically. I'll give you a look at them and where I put them. Here we go. All right, so we've got our new stickers. We've got Shad just down here. Rob, Steve's new sticker. Go around the front. Katie sticker. And Paul Nass on his own. Okay, that's the sticker update done. Now, Paul Nass is on the other side of the fridge on his own. So if you've got a YouTube channel or an Instagram thing or whatever it is, and you want to get pride and place on the fridge of honour, drop us a line, an instant messenger or whatever it may be, and you can hit up the fridge. All right, roast pork for dinner tonight. We've had not really lunch, we're just doing the usual thing at camp, walking to the fridge, grabbing something cold, drinking that, sitting down and talking rubbish around a campfire. All right, let's get stuck in and hopefully get that roast done this afternoon. All right, here we go again. Something different for me at camp. We're going to do a float down the river. They've got their flotation devices. I have a built-in one, so we'll see how we go. Let's go for a dip and cool off.
See you, Ed. I know. Now I'll just shoot it out.
Under the bridge we go.
Oh, that was a rock. Oh, I don't want that big rock. I mean, can't. I am. I've got to concentrate going down. Ow. Can you see you in the screen? What are we doing?
Katie, how was your brekkie this morning, mate?
That omelette was amazing.
I know. I know.
10 out of 10 for that one.
So we're doing our roast pork
We're
tonight,
doing a
aren't we?
roast pork.
Yeah.
All we need is salt and oil.
Because Mum and Dad decided that we've got to do the roast pork tonight.
Yeah,
It's our
we're the
responsibility.
kids.
Yeah, with the kids at the
We're
class.
cooking dinner today.
Cooking dinner. All right, so you got the oil?
Got the oil?
A lot of it?
Not really. That's okay.
Oh, squirt some in here.
Okay.
We'll work it out. We're cordon bleu cookies.
Do you reckon I can do it up the side like this too?
Oh, you could do whatever you want, mate. That's fabulous.
All right.
We've washed and sanitised our hands.
Big
All right.
leaky.
You ready? Chuck it in there. Oh, it is big, isn't it?
Yeah, we should have put it in that.
Yeah, but you know, sizes
That's
and
okay.
everything, you know that, don't you?
No, I know, I said that before.
We'll just roll it around.
Okay.
Look at that, go. A bit more squirty oil, come on. Get your hands dirty, come on.
Oh yeah, look, I'll just rub it.
Yeah, rub it. Rub your meat, mate. That's the way to go. We'll give it a squirt again.
Okay, squirt it. Do you want me to rub it?
Yeah, go on, rub your meat.
Okay. Rubbing the meat.
Yeah, that's the way. Good girl. You're really good at this. Give this bit of squirt here. Have a look at your hands, mate. You got something to wipe your hands with later?
Yep. The river.
The river, yeah. No, we don't. We're environmentally friendly. Look at that.
Yes, we are.
Now we're going to do the
Are you doing it this side too?
Yeah.
Okay,
hang on, we've got to do it the right way, don't we?
Oh yes, bend your arm. You let me know when to roll it.
No, go on, roll. No, not you. I meant you, not the meat. Give it a roll. The river was fun today, wasn't it?
It was great. Those tubes were awesome.
I know. I've got to get myself one now, don't I?
Your birthday's coming up.
I know. It's a special birthday.
It is a special birthday.
We don't mention my age because I'm young.
You're 21.
Yes, I'm 21.
21.
For the third time again. Go on, we'll roll around a bit. Look at that.
That looks amazing already.
It does, doesn't it?
We can't eat it yet though.
Yeah, I know. It's
There we go. All into the...
Into your cracks and crevices.
Yep, nooks and crannies.
A little bit more won't hurt. Hang on. There we go, fancy stuff.
Love it. Done. There you go. Oh, I got a cut there.
Oh, is it hurting?
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh, good. Hey, no pain, no gain.
Do you want me to go get the stick to shove it up?
Yeah,
Yep.
well, what was the charcoal ready yet?
Yeah.
Actually, oh, it is too, isn't it? Yeah, it's looking good, mate. Put it into the thing. And put it in the thing. All right. Got instructions from Dad. You've got to put it in the thing.
Put it in the duva lacquer. It's got to go.
This is your thingy, so I'll let you do the probing.
Okay.
Because it's not mine. I have a very special one. I do. I got my Oz bit. It's freaking awesome.
That's
You ready? Want a hint? Put it down.
like that.
Yeah, and then stab it through. That way you're not trying to. You're gonna put the. Oh, okay. Yep.
Because of the spike.
Yeah, yeah. Because that way you're not going to try and kill yourself. Right in the centre, mate. Give it a big. There you go. See? Now you haven't hurt yourself. Turn it over. No, stop. You're going to hurt yourself.
No,
Yeah. Oh, okay. All right.
I could feel it.
You can feel it.
Yeah. Now
No, I can't. Now you prong it in there.
when they're a bit looser. I thought I was pronging you there.
No, you're not pronging me. You're pronging the meat. Remember, we don't.
Oh, hold on. Yeah, there we go.
Give it a big. Oh, it's all right, isn't it? Now, this is your. I got a dang. Oh, yeah, it's all right. That'll be the tasty bit.
Yum.
Oh, no.
Like it Deniliquin that time.
Yeah, like at the Deniliquin that time. Yes, that I didn't do. I did a video on and didn't publish it because we just had too much fun. Yeah, I know. I should have done that video, but
yeah. Well, you were the first to cook on this kitchen.
Oh, yeah, the poor yabbies.
They were delicious.
They were.
You got to bring vinegar.
You got to bring vinegar next time. Yeah.
Oh, Ed.
You right?
No.
What's happened?
It's not going up.
It'll go up. Just give it time. There you go. Go.
Yeah.
Give it a push, mate.
In she goes.
You tighten
it up.
Do you hickey up?
All right, and then we put this little tuber lacquer on the other end.
Oh, my hands are all dirty.
You'll be right.
Oh,
You'll be
no.
fine. There we go.
How's that looking?
Bloody amazing.
I reckon we let, because we've got to put the charcoal-y things
Okay,
in
so
there.
we'll leave that there.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So a bit on that side. And a bit on
This is your really expensive one you bought, isn't it?
Yeah, Santa got this for me.
Who?
Santa. Perfect. Oh,
Pervy.
there you go.
Turn her on.
Turn her on.
Now what do we do?
Cook them with gas.
Cooking
With beads.
With heat beads.
Heat beads.
Yeah, whatever. Oh, it
And-
smells good already.
It's amazing.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah. That'll be ready in about 2.5 hours.
Only. So what would that be?
Applesauce, gravy.
Applesauce, roast taties.
Absolutely. They'll go on the sides towards the end.
Oh.
Yeah.
Mm. That's pork.
Let me check for ya. Bloody perfect.
Excellent. Let's carve her up.
Alrighty, let's get to it.
Yeah. Food.
Yummy.
Yeah.
The string, Dad. Don't you lose that crackle.
Your life would not be worth living. It's good how the pork comes wrapped automatically with string.
I know.
None of the animals know they've got the string in them.
Nah. None the wiser.
Oh, the good bits are coming.
At least we rested the meat for a while.
Yeah, of course we did. We just took it straight off last. Oh,
Well done, Dad.
bit of goobit on it.
All right, guys, that's the end of this one. We're going to sit down and have some dinner, enjoy each other's company, tell each other lies, and eat some beautiful roast pork. Forget, guys, hit that like and subscribe. I've enjoyed my weekend with Katie and her parents. Well, my mates, really. All right, we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.